We're here at the Zhiyun booth talking about the Crane Lab 3, so stay tuned. We have Brett here with Zhiyun. He has the Crane. Is it 3 Lab or Lab 3?
Crane 3 Lab.
So this is on my to get list. It's in my cart, getting ready to get purchased right after NAB. Tell me a little bit about this thing.
Okay, so this is kind of the latest generation of gimbals from Zhiyun. It has a sort of wildly different form factor than anything that we've seen before. Obviously the way you hold it is very different from than what you normally would, this candlestick design. So you got this built-in dual handle, which if you kind of hold like the way you would maybe like a rifle or something, you bring it into your shoulders, it gives you extra stability, much easier to hold heavier setups, and more comfortable to shoot on longer production days. It can hold up to 10 pounds or 4.5 kilograms. It's got a built-in focus dial. You can also control your zoom using the zoom in focus motor. It's got a wireless monitoring system built into it, so you can feed your camera's HDMI into this wireless monitor and then beam it out to your phone wherever you are and monitor your footage. This thing is a beast.
Yeah. Let's switch.
Yeah, let's switch. Hey, all right,
cool.
cool.
All right, here we go. Boom.
Hey guys, I'm Brett. I'm here with Ty. I'm just kidding. So how do you feel about your new tech toy that you're going to be buying soon?
I love it. I love it. All right, I want to thank you for the interview. We're out.
Yeah, hey, thanks guys. Tune in, subscribe, like, and leave a comment down below if you like the video. See you in the next one.
This thing is nice, man.
That's pretty cool, right?
Yeah. So tell me about camera size. Like what size cameras?
Yeah, okay. All right, so this thing can hold a whole number of cameras. Obviously, at 10 pounds, you can fit almost any single camera and lens combinations that you can possibly think of on this gimbal. The only issue really then it comes down to is the dimensions of your setup. If you're shooting something like, you know, if you had like a 400 millimeter lens or something dumb like that, you're not going to be able to balance it properly and push it far back enough, but you can fit just about everything on here. So big body Canon cameras, 1DX Mark II, you can fit the Blackmagic Pocket Cinema, you can fit a RED camera on here with some smaller cine glass and everything. It's highly adaptable, can fit just about anything you'd want.
Have anybody tried any like Ursa Minis or?
Yeah, so I do know a few people that have tried the Ursa Mini and the RED. It takes a little bit of finagling to kind of get it to work properly, and you also can't use anything kind of crazy like, let's say, one of those 1855 Fujinon cine lenses, right? It's just the weight distribution's too long.
Right.
But you can fit the body using some lower weight primes on it for sure.
Okay. Perfect. Yeah, this is as good as ordered. As soon as I get back, I was waiting for them to get in stock, and now they're in stock. So I'm gonna definitely get my hands on one.
Yeah, it's pretty awesome.
Yeah. Want to thank you for your time again today.
Absolutely, Ty. You got it, man.
All right. I'm gonna trade you. I don't want to let it go, but I guess I'll take my mic back. All right, guys. There you have it. Crane 3 Lab. It is a beast. Go buy you one. I want to get the, there's the regular kit, and then there's the kit above that come with all of the focus rings and everything. Got to get it all. So, yeah, thank you.